Once upon a time, embark on an adventurous journey to the prehistoric world with erupting volcanoes. Discover the magic of science through a thrilling DIY experiment using simple household ingredients. Join us as we delve into the wonders of geology, creating vibrant eruptions right in your own backyard. Get set for an explosive experiment that will ignite curiosity and spark imagination in a mesmerizing display. Step into a world of wonder and awe as we unveil the secrets of volcanoes through this hands-on science adventure. Witness the power of nature in action as we recreate fiery eruptions using everyday items. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the fascinating world of geology with this captivating DIY volcano experiment. Let your imagination soar as you watch vibrant eruptions bring the prehistoric era to life before your eyes. Unleash your inner scientist and join us on a journey back in time to witness explosive volcanic eruptions firsthand. Experience the thrill of discovery with this exciting science experiment that will leave you in awe of the natural world. Dive into the depths of geology and witness the spectacle of erupting volcanoes through this engaging DIY adventure. Explore the mysteries of the Earth's past with this hands-on experiment that promises excitement and learning in equal measure. Prepare for a mesmerizing journey through time as we unveil the stunning beauty and power of erupting volcanoes. Transform your backyard into a prehistoric wonderland with this captivating DIY volcano experiment for all ages. Engage in a thrilling adventure as we unlock the secrets of volcanoes through a mesmerizing eruption simulation. Ignite your passion for science with this explosive experiment that promises fun, learning, and a dash of magic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.